Yes, yes, morning all, and, and sorry for the delay. And today, just I'll be discussing about HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, right? Yes. What is www? Every time World Wide Web, right? So, what is World Wide Web and what is Internet? One second. Internet and World Wide Web. Internet. Hmm. It is a network of networks. It is a network of networks where millions of computers are connected in a network and communicates. Okay. The network of networks where millions of computers are connected in a network and each computer can interact. Each computer can interact with any other computer in the network. Any other computer in the network. Okay. Network of networks where millions of computers are connected in a network and each computer can interact with any other computer in the network. If you talk about World Wide Web, what is it? World Wide Web, right? It is the way of accessing information over the internet. www is a service of internet. Internet was introduced in the year 1969. And HTML. HTML is the major language of World Wide Web. HTML is the major language of World Wide Web. Okay. Web pages are written in HTML. Web pages are written in HTML language. Web pages are written HTML where it brings together all the images, videos, links, etc. into a single place. Okay. Web pages are written in HTML where it brings together all the text, images, videos, links, etc. into a single place. Okay. What do you mean by hyper? What do you mean by text? Hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Hyper means it allows non-linear access. Non-linear access to internet text. HTML is a normal text. Okay, it allows non-linear access to internet. HTML is a normal text. Non-linear access means linear access and non-linear access. Linear access and non-linear access means linear means, for example, non-linear means, for example, if you are reading a textbook, a Python textbook, right? If you want to access a particular topic, right, directly by seeing the index, going to the particular page means non-linearly you are going non-linearly to not like linear. Linearly means, for example, if you're reading a storybook, to understand the story from first page to last page, you need to go linearly, right? But you cannot go to the middle of the page and read the story, right? That is what. Here, non-linear means anybody can access anything from the internet. Non-linear access means anybody can access anything from the internet. Non-linear access to internet. HTML is a normal text. Markup means here we have got some tags. Here we have some tags. Here we have some tags, right? Here we have some tags to mark the information. Here we have some tags to mark the information. Okay. HTML is it's a language. It is a language, right? It is a language. Okay. For writing HTML code, do you require any software or anything to be installed? Nothing. For writing HTML code, right? For writing HTML code, we require a notepad file. We require a notepad and a browser. For writing HTML code, we require a notepad and for writing HTML code, we require a notepad and a browser like Chrome, Mozilla. Okay, fine. Various HTML tags. Various HTML tags. So for HTML, we have got some tags. See, for creating a web page, right? We follow some tags. We have got some tags. Various HTML tags. We have got a tag called, okay. Before that, opening tag. Closing tag. So whenever you open the tag, we are supposed to close the tag. Opening tag and closing the tag. Closing the tag. Opening the tag, closing the tag. Opening tag and closing tag. Now we see one by one tags. Various HTML tags. First one, the tag name is HTML. HTML tag only. HTML. It says that the it says that it is a HTML document. There is a tag called HTML tag. It says that it is a HTML document. Next, head tag. Head tag. It has one tag it has one internal tag. Title. Title tag. For specifying the title. For specifying the title for the document. For specifying the title for the document. Body. Whatever we want to display on the web page, whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be within this body tag. Whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be within this body tag. Okay. So this B tag for displaying the text in bold form. For displaying the text. For displaying the text in bold form. U. For displaying the text in underlined form. In underlined form. Okay. For displaying the text in the underlined form, right? For displaying the text in italic. For displaying the text in italic form. For displaying a text in a paragraph. BR tag for moving to the next line. So for just like slash and behavior for moving to the next line, for giving a line break. For giving a line break. Just like slash n. HR means nothing but horizontal reference. What is this? Horizontal reference. Horizontal reference. For displaying the text in the bold form. For displaying the text in underlined form. For displaying the text in italic form. For displaying in a paragraph. For giving a line break. And for horizontal reference means a horizontal line. You get, we see one horizontal line across the web page. We say a horizontal over the web page. Big. What is it? Big. It displays. It displays a character or a phrase. It displays a character or a word in a bigger font. In a bigger font. As compared with, it displays a character or a word in a bigger font as compared with the other text. The other text, right? Okay. Character or word in a bigger font as compared with the other text. Next, like strike. For striking a portion of a text. For striking text. For striking a portion of a text. For subscript. SUP. For superscript. For subscript and for superscript. For subscript and this is for superscript. Okay, fine. So let us see first these skins. Next we'll go with some HTML formatting and other general tags. Okay, developing the first web page. First HTML. Okay, just for creating a web page, right? Otherwise, developing a sample web page. Developing a sample web page. Now understand this. How to develop a sample web page? It's simple. First, what I do? First, in my C drive, I'll just create a folder with the name HTML. So here, new folder HTML, and just I'll store all my HTML files in this. Yes, I'm opening a notepad here. New. One second. Notepad I'm opening. Here opening the notepad. See, one more thing you can write here. One second. Comment. Comment means it should start with this exclamatory mark, hyphen, hyphen. Comment, hyphen, hyphen, slash. For writing a comment. For writing a comment, right? So open a notepad. Just open the notepad and HTML first series. So first HTML tag should start with the angular braces HTML. So this tag says that it is a HTML code is going to start from here. In your Python code also you can write your HTML code. From here we say that okay, it's a HTML document. It's what? It's a HTML document, right? And within the HTML I can have a head tag. Within the head tag I can specify some title tag. Okay, sample web page. Sample web page. The same title is going to be displayed there. Slash title. What is that? Slash title and slash head. HEAD, right? Head. And body. Body is what? Body tag is what? Where we can display our whatever data or whatever you want to display on the web page. Everything you need to keep within the body tag. Body. Okay. Hello. Okay. Nice. Good morning, Hyderabad, right? Okay, in this way, right? I want to display this. I want to just display this as sample text on the web page. Okay, slash body, right? Slash body. Okay. Slash HTML, right? Okay. So this is my HTML opening brace. This is closing brace. Every HTML tag should be opened and closed. Here head tag I closed. Within the head tag only we can have title tag. Title like sample web page. Body tag opened and closed. Within the body, whatever you keep, that is going to be displayed on your web page. File, save. HTML. Okay. Sample web page. Dot HTML we should give, right? What? Dot HTML format. Any name dot HTML, right? Okay, save. Now go to that once just if you go and check in this HTML, right? In HTML, you see what format in this way. You can just right click and say open with what browser you want to open, Chrome or Firefox or anything. You can just open this with any browser and just open with Chrome, right? Good morning, Hyderabad. Can you see on Google Chrome? Good morning, Hyderabad, right? This is the text you are going to see on your web page. Okay, fine. So just understand this HTML tag. There is no other use except saying that it is HTML document. And within the head tag only we keep only title, right? Only like sample web page. And body tag, whatever you display, that will be displayed on your. Okay. So next, see the other tags. If you want to display some text in underline form, index, what is that? Italic format or in paragraph format, okay? In bold format, right? You can just use this italic tag, underline tag, bold tag. Okay, these tags you can just display on. Okay, fine. Just observe here. Welcome to Python world. I want to just display this Python in the bold for Python world. These two words I want to display in bold format. I want to display in bold format. So here we can write one bold tag here, B, bold. Close the B, right? Welcome to Python world. Means this will appear in bold format. Observe, run. Just open this browser and just refresh it. The refresh option is there, right? Just refresh it. So welcome to Python world. Can you see this Python world in bold format? Yes. But both are displaying in the same line. Good morning. Okay, just can see this, right? It's appearing outside. Okay. Good morning. Welcome to Python world, right? Python world appearing in the bold format. Next, both are in the same line. I want to display in the next line. What is the tag I need to use? Which tag? BR tag, right? Yes. BR tag. Where can I specify that BR tag? After this first line, right? Here you can keep BR tag. First print that, display that first line, give some break, line break, and then go to the welcome to this Python world, right? Okay. Now observe this. No need to just every time executing, just to go into the web page and just refresh it. Just refresh. What you got? Both are in the displayed in the different lines, right? Good morning, Hyderabad, and welcome to Python world. Now we have got some more tags, right? We have got some more tags. Like underlined. U means what? For underlined format. And italic, for example. Open this document. Open this document, and you can just, if you want to display. Django batch. Starting from today. Starting from today, right? Django batch starting from today. Like I want to just display this Django in italic format. Italic format, right? Just what tag I need to give? I and close it. From where to where you want to give in italic format? From here to here, /I. From where to where you need to. Otherwise, everything will be appearing in the italic format. Just go and refresh your web page. So again, Django batch starting from today, right? But I want in the next line. So you give a line gap for each and every line, give a line gap. So after the BR tag is the only tag where we no need to close it. BR tag is the only tag where we no need to close the tag, right? BR I'm giving, right? Now just go and refresh. You can see in different lines, right? Just about the colors, text, fonts, the things we'll be discussing later. But first observe how to display the text on the web page. So if you want to give some color to the web page or color to the text and other things, formatting things I'll be discussing later. First, how to display text on the web page, right? So here, can you see the Django appearing in italic format, right? Django batch starting from today. That Python world in bold format. And if you want the Django to be in underline format also, you can use underline tag, U tag, right? Where can I specify that? U tag here. Both here I can give you underline tag, and here itself I can give that underline tag. Both, can you observe here? U and U. Okay. /U, right? Yes. That means this Django should appear in italic format and in underline format, and the remaining thing in a normal text format. Just go and refresh your browser. So Django, can you see in underline form and in the italic form? Okay, later I just text how to increase the font, headings, Otherwise, the bigger headings I want, small headings I want. How can I display all those? Okay, fine. Design about starting from fine. BR tag, understood, right? What is BR tag? What is body tag? What is HTML, head tag, title tag, italic, underline, right? Next, observe this next tags. Paragraph tag means if you've got multiple lines, if you want to display that in the paragraph format, you use that P tag, right? BR tag, yes. HR means horizontal reference. We see a horizontal line over the web page. Just to keep HR here, 1 second. Here, just I'm keeping HR here, right? HR means horizontal reference. Just go and refresh this, right? One line we got, right? A horizontal line over the web page. Okay, fine. Observe. Okay, HR tag. Next, see the tags. Big tag. Big is there. For example, observe. For example, BIG big web slash big means just I want web to be appearing in the bigger font and web technology, right? For example, I'm displaying a word like this, web technology. Okay, just observe this. Web appearing in a bigger font as compared with the other things, technology, web, WEB, just a big, either a particular character, particular word, or a particular sentence if you want to appear in a bigger font than compared with the other things. We use what? Web. Okay, fine. Fine. Understood, right? Any queries you have got up to here? Normal HTML basic tags, right?
Sir,
And some
sir,
queries
should
are
we
asked.
follow?
HR no need.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
we should follow the same indentation, sir.
No indentation here. It's not Python, right? No indentation required. We can start from any part of the line. Just pass that, right? One of you can take that. Here, no indentation required. Here, Python language is different. HTML language is different. Here, you can start from any part of the line. So here I'm starting good morning from here. But even though if you give any space or if you're not giving space, not a problem. If you're giving space, here no indentation concept, right? One second. Fine. Okay. Still any other queries here, right? No? Okay, 1 second. We'll discuss that. So after HR tag, 1 second. See this. After HR tag, you got web technology, right? So HR tag is just for getting a horizontal line on that HR. So only for that, wherever you go that HR, you will get a horizontal line. Okay, I'll come back to the other tags, but before that, sir. Yes. Yes. Every tag will have some attributes. Every tag will have some. Every tag will have some attributes. And attributes will have some values. Every tags will, 1 second. Every tag will have some attributes, and attributes will have some values. For example, right? Body tag has got the following attributes. Body tag. BG color, text, background, for background color, for background color. For text color, for displaying some background. Okay, BG color for background color, text for text color, and background for displaying some background, right? Fine. Okay. BG color, where can we, okay, for example, body, BG color equal to red, text equal to yellow. Okay, background color red and text is yellow. Observe this. Body BG color equal to, observe this, body BG color equal to red color, text color, whatever text is displayed on the web page, which color you want, text equal to yellow color. Yes. Okay, just observe this. Just go and refresh your web page. Web page has got red color, text has which color? Yellow color. So whichever color you want, you can specify that color, right? Color equal to text color. Okay. Fine, understood, right? So for example, for colors, RGB, red, green, and blue. Combination of RGB colors will be in the combination of RGB. You can give any color. For example, here BG color equal to give some hash color. RGB means, for example, the least value. See here, for example, 00 is the least. Highest value is FF. Hexadecimal numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. From 9 again A, B, C, D, E, F. Hexadecimal format. 0 means that particular color is 0. I doesn't want that color. For example, red equal to 0, 0 I'm giving means nothing. I doesn't want any red color. If I'm giving FF means I want dark red color. Okay. First, next two colors. Next, for example, 0, 0. Next two digits will be for green. From 0011. If you want some average, green should be in average format, means somewhere like 7 or 8 you can give. Okay, in the mid value. It also has got FF, right? And this is for red. This is for green. B, blue color also. So blue color also, right? 0, 0. Start with 0, 0 and FF, right? FF. Understanding? So if you want the combination of RGB, right? You can just give the values accordingly. Means if you want a specific color, you can get a specific color, or you can give the combination mix of all these colors. For example, so first two zeros indicates, first two digits indicates red color value. Next two digits indicates green color value. Next two digits indicates blue color value. Okay. So here I want whatever, if you want to write, you can write in your understandable form. I'm not giving no notes here, right? Everything will be practical. So here specify hash here, and just I want red color. For example, 7, 7 I'm giving. Red color will be 7. Green color 2, 2. Blue some 4, 4. Understand, right? 7, 7, 2, 2 and 4, 4. RGB, combination of red, green and blue colors, right? Just observe this. This is the web page as of now, right? This is the web page in red color and yellow color font. Just if I refresh, combination of red, green, blue. So you got in this way. If you want to increase this, okay. If you want to increase the red color more, right? If you want more bright, okay. Decrease that blue, make that blue as 0, 0. I make that blue color. I doesn't want any blue color, green color, and this I'm making as full red color, FF, and little bit of green color. Just you can observe this. Control S you can say, and just go and refresh. In this way, full red color, light green color is mixed with this, right? Understanding? Lightly, if you mix with blue, right? Little bit of blue. Not much changes. 04. Okay. So in this way, okay, understandable. Any color you can just mix. You can give any color specifically or any combination of this RGB, right? Fine. So here I'm removing all this. I'm giving as red as of now, right? Refresh. Okay. Now, for example, there is one more tag you can see, like here. What is that? Big tag. After big strike, strike is there. Observe. Strike. For example, So this is the output you got, right? With this color, with this font, you are displaying in italic, bold, and okay, horizontal reference. Some color to the web page, some text, some color to the text. You can take the combination of different colors by specifying RGB colors. So with 0 as the least value, F as the highest value, right? Okay. So you got a tag called strike tag. If you want to strike something, right? If you want to strike something on the web page, for example, I'll do like a Python, like offer price. Okay, Python offer price equal to offer price for October. Strike it. Keep in strike, right? Slash strike. Slash strike. $30,000. For example, just display on this. What it is displaying? Python offer price for October 50,000 is striked, and you got 30,000. Strike. Understanding? Here, BR tag, right? BR tag. Okay, fine. Fine. Next, see the other tags. So about that increasing the text to font, the other things. I want to increase the font is too much small, right? We have got some font sizes are there. Font face, font color, font sizes. If you want to specify. Next. Sub for subscript. Subscript means, for example, subscript. Say one subscript. For example, CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide, right? CO2, how will you specify? Not like this, right? CO2. 2 should come down, right? Subscript. How can I write? CO, specify CO, say sub, and give 2 here and close that sub, right? Sub is carbon dioxide. Carbon CO2 is carbon dioxide, right? Now see this, how it is going to display every time C break. Okay, now observe this. Save it. Subscript. Just as of now, I'm just discussing only on how to display the text on the web page. I'm not discussing about the other formatting things, right? CO2 is carbon dioxide. You got CO2, right? That is what 2 appearing as the script subscript, right? Now, for example, H. Observe this, H sub 2 H2O is the chemical name of water. Just go and refresh. Break, you say. BR tag. H2O is the chemical name of water. Right? Okay, 1 second. This one, H2O is the chemical name of water. I'll forward this document. Based on this, you can just try with your own examples, right? Those who are new to HTML. Superscript. Superscript, how to write? Superscript. Say one example of superscript where we use superscript. What is the radius of circle? What is that area of circle? Circum area. Hmm? What is pi r square?
Area of circle pi r square.
Okay. Pi r square only, right? Area. Pi I am specifying, right? Pi r square. Pi r square should come up, right? Pi r. So what is that? SUP. Slash. Is the area of pi r square is the area of circle, right? Area. Just refresh it. BR, right? Pi r square is the area of circle. Superscript. Now, next tag, comment. Comment means, like in Python, the comments start with hash symbol, but here in, if you want to represent something, exclamatory mark, hyphen, sample web page. What is that? Sample web page. Just it is not executable. It won't be executed. If you want to write this comment anywhere in this HTML code, you can write that comment with this, right? Sample web page. Okay, but can you see here sample web page you got? That is what title. Can you see there here? Sample web page. Sample web page. This is what the title within the head tag. Title tag is there. That is what. Okay, fine. Now, I was just displaying that body has got that BG color text and background, right? In the same way, we have got font. We have got a tag called font tag. Font. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. If you're writing in uppercase or lowercase, right, it's going to work. Whether you are writing in uppercase, whether you are writing in the lowercase, it's going to work, right? Font tag. For displaying font. For displaying the text in different font color and size. For displaying the text in different font, color, and size. Okay. For example, the font has got the following attributes. Next, the font tag is different, attributes are different. Means, for example, body BG color. BG color is what? This body is what? Tag. BG color is what? Attribute. And this what? Attribute value. Okay. Here, body is the tag. BG color. Here, body is the tag. BG color is the attribute. It is the attribute value. That is what? Attribute value. Right? For displaying the text in different font, color, and size. Okay. The font tag has got attributes such as okay. I'll come back to this font, but before this font, you need to talk about headings. Headings. HTML provides 6 types of headings. H1 will be the bigger heading. Python programming. I'm keeping Python programming /H1, H2. Same thing. H2 /H2. H3 /H3. H4 H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, right? Now observe. Just I'll copy the same thing and paste in my web document. Copy. Yes. This one, H1 Python programming, right? So it's going out of this. Python programming. So here, if you observe, H1 is the bigger heading. H1 is the bigger heading. And this is what the smallest heading. Smallest heading. Bigger heading and smallest heading. H1 to H6. Control S, right? This one H1 to H6. Now, if you observe this, the sizes of H1 to H6, right? Just I will just refresh it. Refresh the web page. Python programming, bigger heading. H2 little smaller to it. H3, H4, H5, H6 is the very smallest one, right? H6 is the very smallest one. H1 will be the bigger heading. Okay. Okay. Smallest heading. Now come to this font. Where is that font? Okay. Font tag. So that for displaying the text in different font color and size. The font tag has got the attributes such as size. It ranges from +6 to -6. It ranges from +6 to -6. 1 second. Okay, +6 to -6 means, for example, for example, uh, Python is a user-friendly programming. Python is a user-friendly programming I am taking. In that, if you observe this, Python is a user-friendly programming. Only Python I want to display in a particular font, right? Font you can take font, font, and here /font. Here font size equal to 6. Font size equal to 6 is a user-friendly programming, right? Now observe this. refresh. See where it went. Python is a user-friendly programming. Only Python appearing in a bigger font, right? And remaining in a smaller font, right? Font, we have got like size ranging from +6 to -6. For example, font equal to, okay, anything between 6 to -6, anything you can take, right? 6 to -6, for example, Control V, font size equal to -6. Where it went? Here, see this, Python is a user-friendly programming. Python in a very small font, right? If you want a particular word to increase its font or decrease its font, you have got font size is available, +6 to -6. The range will be from +6. +6 means the bigger font, -6. Heading is different. Heading means if you want some heading to be displayed on the web page, this H1 tag, H2 tag. But font, generally, if you want to display some definitions, right? If you want something in a bigger font, then break here tag. In the same manner, it has got some more attributes, not only like font. Where is it? Size is there. Color, COLOR, color. For specifying a color. Yes. Color to text. Okay, fine. For specifying color to text. For specifying color to text. Okay. Here, font size equal to 6 is there, right? Here, beside that size equal to 6, COLOR, color equal to some blue color I'm giving, BLUE, blue, right? Color equal to blue. Okay, fine. Color equal to blue. Now just go and refresh. Python is a user-friendly programming. Python, can you see in blue color? Only Python in blue color. Okay. Next, face. Font face, you say, right? One more. The font tag has got the attributes such as size, color, face. For specifying the font face. What is that face means, such as Arial, Times New Roman, those things, right? Some Arial, Times New Roman, etc. Okay. For example, for specifying the font face, Arial, Times New Roman, etc. Right? Okay. Now observe. Font size equal to, we can specify multiple attributes. Size I'm specifying, color I'm specifying, and face. FAC, face equal to Arial, right? Arial. Arial, you got Arial. This is what? Arial. Only Python appearing in Arial font. Understanding? There is one more tag called, where is this? Django batch starting from today. Okay. What is that H1? See the H1 size? This is the H1 size. H2 size. H2 I'm keeping. H2 slash H2. So here Django batch starting from today. So there is one more tag we say like for scrolling, for scrolling the text. See, in TV you should have seen in the bottom in news, breaking news, it will be scrolling, right? For scrolling the text across the web page. For scrolling the text across the web page. For example, scrolling the text across the web page. See this Django batch starting from today, right? This one I'm keeping within this Marquee, Marquee, Marquee. Yes, Marquee slash Marquee, Marquee, right? Slash Marquee. See, I kept like Marquee slash Marquee means I kept that entire text in the Marquee tab. Just go and refresh. Django batch starting from today. But here also the scrolling will be from different way you can scroll it. From bounce, alternate, scroll, slide. Yes. From top to bottom, left to right. Yes. Different options are there for this, right? From left to right means in this way. If you want from right to left, otherwise from bottom to in this way you can. Okay. It is coming from one side, going from the other side. Again, it will come from this side, right? This Marquee also we got for Marquee. It has got the following attributes. It has got the following attributes. Following attributes. First one, align. Align, right? Align, for aligning the text. For aligning the mark that is at left, right, top, bottom, middle. For aligning the mark that is at left, right, top, bottom, middle. And there is one more like behavior. Behavior. Okay. Behavior spelling. Here OR only, not OUR. Behavior OR only, right? Behavior. It takes values such as. It takes values such as. Scroll, slide, alternate, bounce. It takes values such as scroll, slide, alternate, bounce. Okay, scroll, slide, alternate, bounce. And we have got like attribute like loop. What are the scroll, slide, alternate, bounce? I'll just brief you with examples. Okay, loop. How many times the mark you need to loop? Mark you need to loop, right? Example. Mark you loop equal to, if you want for infinite number of times, mark you loop equal to infinite number of times. Here you can just use your text slash mark you, right? Next. BG color. BG color you can take. Background color of the marquee. Background color of the marquee. Height. Height of the marquee, width of the marquee. Direction. It takes values such as. So this tag will work in all the browsers. Tag market. This tag is going to work in all the browsers, but the values are there, right? These things in browser to browser, some may work, some may not work. In Mozilla, in Chrome, values means this loop values are this behavior value is there, behavior, right? These values are there, right? The values in some browser, some may work, in some other browsers it may not work. But the tag will work in all the browsers, but the values, some browsers, there will be some different alignments. Direction, it takes values such as up, down, left, right. Next is like scroll delay. Scroll delay, right? Scroll delay. What is the delay time you want between the scrolling? What is the delay time? Fastly you want to scroll or very slowly you want to scroll? What is the time gap you want between each scroll amount, right? Scroll delay, right? Okay, one second. Here, first observe this behavior scroll. Observe this. What is the scroll slide? Okay, one second. For example, BG color. Okay. 'So this marquee is there. Just I am giving some height. Let me check. Height equal to 30 means what it will display. Refresh. Okay. 300 you give. 1 second. 300. 100. 400 you give. Okay. So, okay. You got this height like this, right? Okay. Now that's fine. So just observe the difference between this. Direction, it takes a value such as up, down, left, right. I'm giving direction equal to down. Now observe. Where is it? So here, mark you height I have given, direction I will give. Direction equal to down I am giving. DOWN, right? Direction equal to down. Now observe this. Refresh. In this way, height y I have given, right? This much height should come and it should come from that side and it should go from other side in this way. Height means what? The height of the marquee. If you want up and down, you give height. Otherwise, not required. 1 second. Okay. Just I was discussing this basic tags, basics of HTML today, right? What is that HTML text? How to display the font, paragraph, the headings, text. Totally, I was discussing about how to display the text, right? Like in the next tomorrow session, I'll be just how to represent your data in the form of a list, in bullets, markers. Okay, in the tabular form, tables. How to display some tables on your web page, right? Images, links, hyperlinks, forms, frames, how to divide the web page into frames, how to create a forms, registration form like text fields, some box will be getting text to enter data, buttons, submit button, clear buttons, those kind of buttons, how we can clear. So that's simple. They are very simple to display those. So everything is static. If you create a button, okay, the button will work. But if you submit, whether your form is submitting, no, right? So there Python required. Python takes that data, whatever you are submitting, whatever you are entering that data, right? That data, it will just submit and store in the database. Tomorrow, if you want to retrieve, we can retrieve it, right? Fine. Okay, so just you can try with this basic tags as of today. So tomorrow we'll be discussing more on this. Okay, everyone just try to, if you are new to this HTML, right, try to experiment and all these tags. Tomorrow I'll be discussing more tags, right? That also you just to work with before we go with the next other concepts, right? So for today I'm stopping here. I've got a demo after this, and tomorrow we'll continue same at 9 o'clock. Today we have started a lesson little late, but tomorrow we'll start at 9:10, right? Okay, fine. Tomorrow at 9:10 we'll be starting the session same time. Fine. If you want to take the snap of it, you can take this. This whatever we have discussed, this example, right? This example. Fine. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay.